Imagine this. You ask ChatGPT for advice. It gives you the perfect answer. Fast, smooth, confident. But here's the scary part. What if that answer is biased, manipulated, or flat out wrong? And you believe it without question. AI assistants like ChatGPT are becoming our best friends, our tutors, even our therapists. But hidden under all that convenience are dangers nobody wants to talk about. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you might think twice before asking AI for help. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exposing the hidden dark side of AI assistants like ChatGPT, Siri, Alexa, and more. Yes, they're fun. Yes, they're powerful. But they're also quietly shaping the way you think, what you buy, and even who you trust. Let's break down the real dangers, from privacy nightmares to job loss to something much scarier, dependency. Let's start with the obvious. Your data. Every time you ask ChatGPT a question, every voice command you give to Alexa, you're giving away tiny pieces of your life. What you search, what you fear, what you're planning. And here's the twist. These AI assistants don't just forget. They learn. They adapt. And in the wrong hands, that information can be used against you to target your shopping habits, influence your politics, or even predict your weaknesses. Think about it. Would you want a company knowing your deepest secrets better than your best friend does? Danger number 2. Blind trust. AI assistants sound confident, even when they're wrong. The problem? We humans tend to trust things that sound smart, and that makes AI the perfect tool for spreading misinformation. A world where millions of people blindly follow what their AI says. That's terrifying. Here's the thing about AI assistants. They don't know truth. They're trained on massive amounts of internet data, and the internet is full of bias, mistakes, and lies. So when you ask a simple question like, "Is this medicine safe for me?" I might confidently say yes, but what if that info was based on outdated, biased, or flat-out wrong data? The danger is not just being wrong. The danger is being wrong with confidence. Because when something sounds smooth, natural, and smart, most of us just believe it. Now imagine this power in politics. AI could frame a historical event in a way that favors one side, or answer questions about current leaders in a biased tone. Over time, this isn't just a wrong answer, it's subtle manipulation, shaping the way entire generations see reality. And the scariest part? Unlike fake news from a random website, AI assistants feel personal. You're not reading an article. You're talking to a trusted helper. And when a helper lies, that's way more danger. Now let's talk about something closer to home. Your future job. AI assistants are getting better at writing emails, coding software, even creating music and videos. Cool, right? But here's the dark side. The more companies rely on AI, the less they rely on humans. Writers, designers, teachers, customer support. Entire industries are already feeling the hit. So while we're enjoying the convenience, AI is slowly reshaping the job market, and not in our favor. Here's the one nobody talks about: addiction and dependency. The more we use AI, the less we use our own brains. Instead of solving a math problem, we just ask ChatGPT. Instead of thinking through a decision, we let AI suggest it. It feels harmless, but slowly, we're outsourcing our thinking. And here's the scariest what if. What if, one day, the AI decides what you should hear, not what you need to hear? That's not just help. That's control. And then, there's the world of AI deception. ChatGPT writes text, but combine it with AI that makes fake videos, and suddenly, you can't tell what's real anymore. Deepfake politicians, fake celebrity scandals, even fake voices that sound like your mom calling you. AI assistants are part of that ecosystem, making it harder and harder for us to separate reality from illusion. So here's the big question. Are AI assistants helping us? Or are they training us to be dependent, predictable, and easy to control? Sure, they can help with homework, emails, even jokes. But the hidden dangers, privacy leaks, misinformation, job loss, dependency, and deception, are very real. The truth. AI isn't just answering questions. It's quietly reshaping humanity. So what do you think? Are AI assistants just helpful tools? Or are they the beginning of something much darker? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Smash that like button if this opened your eyes, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of tech and power.